就不然它这个是关不紧，它关不紧要拿揪子粘住才会紧哦。
Assalamualaikum dear viewers, we have gone there and we removed all the tape. Let's see what was the reason door is not closing properly. It's very nice house. Then we have checked properly. It's not closing properly. It's like inside is something is stuck. Then we have checked, all are okay. See properly. Then gasket I have checked. Then finally I found it was faulty there. See, it's a gasket not installed properly. It just came out, so that's why this door is not closing properly. So we'll put some of the glue, then we'll fix back this rubber, and we have to fix it properly, then this door will close properly. See, it has been nice. So it was only gasket. See, very nice. It's working very good. It's closing very nice way.
See, try, ma'am.
So it's when customer has seen, she was very happy. Now since it's
Yeah.
to keep it there.
Thank you so much.